Yep, I thought I fixed it. Did you notice? So I'm actually filming this before the video has been released. I'm sure some people will notice. It still works. It's still keeping great time. 1648. Well, that's near enough. But anyway, you might notice that we've got 3 of the LED things lit up here. It does look like it's all the way over to the right, like there should be another one here. And what happens is when it gets to 10 o'clock, it doesn't show the 1. It just says 0. So the first LED segment array thing is broken. Let me show you. So if we push the middle one in to set the time, and then go through here, we've got 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. That should be 10. And then the next one will be 1, which should be 11. Next one's 2, which should be 12. And then it'll go back to 1. So when it's 10, 11 or 12 o'clock, you've got no idea what time it is. Well, you can kind of guess. But if it's 11 o'clock, you don't know if it's 11 o'clock or 1 o'clock. Which, when you're in the pub, is quite confusing. So let's open this thing back up. Stop tapping it with the tweezers. And see if we can fix it. Got to take my pin out that I put in. How do you do that? Just like that. Nice. Obviously, because it takes this long to open this up, I won't be doing the wrap again until the end. Hurrah, says everybody. Now, I seem to remember there being, I think there was 4 little transistors underneath. Yes, there is. I'm wondering whether we've got a transistor that drives, for want of a better word, each of those LED arrays, for want of a better word. Let's have a look under the microscope. It may be that there's a trace that's not working, or maybe the LEDs are burnt out completely. I don't know. Now, it's kind of come away when I cleaned them, but these said AC. You can kind of still see it on that one. So I'm hoping that will help me identify them if it is that that's gone. So from there, these are all sort of linked up here. Then we've got that leg that goes up here and looks like it goes to that leg of the chip. And this one goes underneath here and presumably to this. I mean, how can I test this? Because it's LED, can I, if I put this on diode, will that light up if it's still working? Well, let's try it. Let's put the multimeter in diode mode. And let's try one of the ones that I know work. So this would be, how would you do this? Right, so on that one, I'm getting a reading there of 2.7 megohms. Let's check this one. 0.7. This one. 0.7. This one. Almost 0.7. So why is that one 2 point? Oh, hang on a minute. Have I got this upside down? Which way does it go in the watch? Yes, it is. It's that way. So, am I onto something here? Yeah, 2.7 megohms. I'm saying megohms. They're not megohms, are they? No, it's 2.7 volts. I think what I might try and do is I might take one of these 3 and put it in here. And if the fault moves, then I know it's that. I mean, maybe it's not getting the signal from here. Let me just double check that. So it's this one, and it runs down there, and it must go to there. I think that's okay. And that one to there, so it is connected. Right, I'm going to take that off. I don't know how. I'm going to take it off and I'm going to swap it with the one next to it. Can't really use hot air on something this delicate, can you? Let's try using some leaded solder first. Just popped in a little vice type thing. I'm going to be better that way around. Right, I've switched it round, so now the faulty one is on the right. Right, wish me luck. I need a different plan, because what I've ended up doing there is just completely destroying that. I'm not going to know now, am I? Well, it's off, so let's just hope it was faulty. Right, plan B? Low melt solder. Because I can't risk the same thing happening to this one. Right, low melt solder. Shouldn't need a lot of this. Right, that worked better. Right, I'm just going to try and tack that one on in the place of the suspected faulty one, which would be here. Right, I think that's on now. Yep, let's give it a bit of a clean and then pop it back together, see if the fault has moved. Is it going to come on at all? That's the question. The fault has moved. Check this out. So now we have the one, but not the next one. Come on! I worked something out by myself and everything. I'm gonna have to go and find one of those, I think it's a transistor things. Right, according to the SMD catalogue, AC, there's only 4 different variants from what I can see there. I mean, I don't know how accurate this is. And only one of them is a SOT23, which is what we had there, and that is a BCW60C, an NPN transistor, I think, because it starts with N, so I'm guessing that's what that is. Alternative BCY58IX. Now, I'm not going to have any of those, and I don't even know if it's right, but I did find BCW60C on eBay. There we go. BCW60C transistor, lot of 5, £4.25. So I don't know whether to order that or not. I mean, it looks right, doesn't it? But I don't know. How can I tell? Help me. Well, this is interesting. I've just found this picture online on myretrowatches.co.uk. And those transistors very clearly say AD, not AC. Am I mistaken? I mean, it looks exactly the same, except this one was assembled in Dallas, not Malaysia. Right, I've just checked my original video and it definitely says AC on the ones that I've got, so I don't know if it's the same thing. I don't know. Either way, I'm just gonna have to bite the bullet and buy one, I think. I think we better come back to this in a few days. They've arrived. Well, let's have a look at these under the microscope. Hopefully they're going to be the right size and all that. Right, so there they are. I've just taken one out of the packet. And it does look like that says AC on it, doesn't it? ACS. Well, let's give it a go. Let's pop it in and see what happens. Nice. Right, well, there we go. It's on. Is it going to work? Here we go. Get in there! I'm very, very pleased with that one. I didn't think it would work. Incredible. That is what it's supposed to be like. Love it. Now I just need to set the time, put the pin back in the strap, put it on my wrist, and watch it. I can't tell you how pleased I am with that. I might not look it, but that's just my face. I'm sorry. Absolutely made up with that. Still not stupid.
Not gonna rap, I'm gonna rock. You better not skip, stop the clock. LED watch, mixing digits, what a shock. We fixed it up, took it back to stock. Kicking off the titter, almost finds flux. Stumble fuel, full string of lips, right fucks. Kid Page, back to Princess Blizzard Infinity. John Molecule, Jingus RVE. Everyone is here having a fantastic time. Apart from all the haters, but that helps me rhyme. Markovich 19, Ben Rush, Kenneth Terry, Oz, Newton, Michael Biggie, Baroque. Gotta speed this up, gotta get them all in. B-Money, Jan Rag, Mikey Virtual Gaming. Fletcher, Scarrett, Hanson, Lodger, Paul Bailey. Killswitch 669, Skyview, Diamonds, hold his team. Jonathan Harlan, McAdams, Kevin Burr. John Blue Shit, A1 Bass, AC Woodwalker. Lots of Frankenstein, and forget the money. Still going strong like the Energizer Bunny. Give Keys a chance, Jonathan Wicks, Adam Taylor. Lee Green, Badger Squatch, Sarah Cat, no more. Double quick time, I need rocks, don't you know? Before we say peace, we say Monkey Joe Tokyo. Peace. Here we are. Ooh yeah. You know what time it is.